Repairing your garage door might be the key to saving time and money. But is it really cheaper than replacing it entirely? In Arlington, Texas, the choice between repair and replacement hinges on various critical factors. Let's explore how to make this decision wisely. Common garage door issues can often be fixed without replacing the entire system. Identifying the problem helps narrow down your options. Worn-out rollers, broken springs, and misaligned tracks can all lead to headaches. Understanding these issues can save you significant costs. Repair becomes the best choice if damage is localized and the door is relatively new. Why spend more when fixes can be quick and effective? Conversely, extensive structural damage or aging parts often demand a complete replacement. Knowing when to replace can prevent further safety risks. Considering factors like the door's age and frequency of repairs are crucial. These elements help determine whether repair or replacement is appropriate. Some homeowners may wonder if they can tackle repairs themselves. While some tasks are easy, complex repairs are best left to professionals. A professional evaluation offers insights that you might overlook. An expert can precisely diagnose issues and recommend tailored solutions for your garage door. In the end, don't let minor issues escalate into major problems. Seek professional advice to ensure your garage door remains safe and functional for years.